life.
Savannah and Patrick can help you turtle the obstacles.
Birthday board, where each week pictures of students will be posted in the Commons and students will be encouraged to share their compliments about those students.
Stress-free day, where we'll bring puppies in right before finals to not only bring awareness for adoption, but to lighten your spirits.
Savannah and I want to change the mood around dorm meetings. We want to implement student voting so we can let your voice be heard.
That includes the voting of school dances and game nights. We'll also be introducing a new segment called Trauma Bear, where students can go to the hospital and interact with trauma patients to just lighten their day.
We'll also be introducing Spirit Clothesline, where we'll hang clothes on a clothesline in the quad and set an example for how to dress up properly during Spirit Week.
And remember to vote Savannah
And Patrick.
as your Gonzaga Vice President.
And Deputy.